Video marketing is one of the most effective ways to reach your target audience and promote your business. But with so many businesses creating videos, it can be tough to get yours seen. Most video marketing advice is outdated and ineffective. That's why it's important to have a solid video marketing promotion strategy in place. In this video, I'm going to share with you some of the most effective video marketing promotion strategies for entrepreneurs in 2024. I'll also reveal some controversial truths about video marketing that will make you think. In the video marketing niche, optimization is not merely a technicality, but an art form that demands finesse and an understanding of the intricate dance between content and consumption. It's not just about stuffing keywords into titles and descriptions. It's about crafting narratives that resonate with your audience. Consider SEO as a conversation with your target audience, a dialogue that entices them to seek out your wisdom. Let your titles be like captivating headlines, piquing their curiosity and promising a journey of enlightenment. Social media is not just a platform for self-promotion, it's a virtual marketplace of ideas and a stage where you can showcase your expertise. Share your videos with your followers, not as mere advertisements, but as invitations to a shared experience. Encourage them to engage, to comment, to share, and in doing so, amplify your reach and establish yourself as a thought leader in your field. Paid video ads, my astute marketing minds, can be a powerful tool for expanding your reach, but remember, it's not about throwing money at the problem. It's about strategic targeting and compelling storytelling. Crafted copy that resonates with your target audience, speaking directly to their pain points and aspirations, and target your ads with precision, ensuring that your message reaches the ears of those most likely to be receptive to it. Join me on this electrifying journey to digital dominance and discover the secrets to creating content that ignites emotions, sparks conversations, and drives conversions. Let's shed the shackles of outdated tactics and embrace the power of storytelling, transforming your videos into captivating narratives that leave an indelible mark on your audience.